Hello everyone, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I want to show you how you can use secret codes and some useful secret codes in OPPO Reno 13. So first open the phone app, now go to the dial pad, and the first secret code is for software information, like your version. As you can see, now place a hashtag, and there's our software version info. Also, we can check our IMEI number like that, as you can see. Also, we can run diagnostic menu. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.